guys some light? Yes. Okay guys, it's your girl Moya Loves and I'm back with another video. Okay, well today I am going to be showing you guys a little of my day. I actually have been working on this vlog for 3 days. I have been busy. I actually came off vacation and went back to work. So I have been busy. Basically, this is a packing and shipping, inventory, unboxing video for you guys, all right? So I'm just gonna get to it and show you guys the rest of my day. Just make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure that you comment and you like this video. If you do have a business, like I say in my other videos, let me know in the comments. We want to follow you. I want to support everyone. And yeah, this year is all about support and vision and executing our goals. All right. So stay tuned. I'm just going to show you how I do my packing and shipping and all of that good stuff. All right. So hopefully you guys see me in the frame. So now I'm gonna fill up my bottles. First I'm gonna put the labels on, which you seen in the last video, and then I'm gonna laminate it with the clear gloss that I taught you guys in my last video as well. And then I'm gonna pour my facial cleansers inside of them and pack them out. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of fast forward this, but you guys stay tuned. I got these done here and my hands are super clean. Now when I pour them, that's when I actually put on the gloves, but I'm gonna laminate it and then wipe it down. Hopefully you guys can see me in the frame. Now I'm done with loading up my mini cleansers to go in my starter kits. And now I'm gonna place them on the larger facial cleansers. So I got my scissors here, take them out of the bag, still have my gloves on, and these are already sanitized and zip-locked tight in the bag, so I'm just gonna get started. So this is my Milk and Honey facial cleanser. It's like this. It separates because it has no chemicals in there to bind it together, but it's fine. All you have to do is just shake it up. I'll show you in a second. So what I do is basically measure it and gauge it to know that I have to cut off that amount. So let's see if I'm correct. Then push it in, tighten it, and then let's just shake it up. So this is the milk and honey, almost done. Gonna label them, and then I'm gonna put them in the bubble bag ahead of time. So I'm already doing this, so I might as well just do this. These are already sanitized, and I sanitize them when I get them and put them in the bag. So it just looks so satisfying to me. I love it. This is actually my favorite one because lately my skin has been changing. So like every day I wash my face with this, and ever so often I'll wash my face with the charcoal because I do have combination oily and dry skin. So those are the two that I use. I rarely use the black soap because I really don't have acne in a sense, and sometimes black soap does dry out my skin type. So it's good for you to know your skin type. So if you're watching, please go on the website and take the skincare quiz and see what our recommendation is for you with you and your skin type. Also, make sure you guys are putting in labor costs when you are selling these items, because you don't want to work for free. I put my labor costs in these items, and some people say, oh, your products are too expensive, but I use top quality butters and I use top quality oils. And as you can see, this is glass. This is not cheap. I don't use anything really cheap, so cheap looking. I try to be as cost effective, efficient as possible, but yeah, they're gonna cost, because I'm gonna put my cost in there, because when it's time for me to open my shop, I want to be able to pay my workers. So yeah, I put my cost in from now right here, and that's it. That's the last one. Now I'm gonna fill these up with the Romance Blend body oil. These are the travel size. So this is the travel size, and I have the body oil in this size, which I call the luxury size. So travel and luxury. Do them here and then put them right back, just to save space. This might only do probably like 4 or 5. Let's get the scale. I'll be back. Might weigh it to about, because on its own it weighs 5.4. Hey Google, what's 5.4 minus 13?
The answer is minus 7.6.
Okay, so that means then I am supposed to be putting a little bit more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so this is perfect. It's a perfect amount right here. Not too bad. Perfect. 13.4. That's perfect. That's it. Now I'm just gonna clean my area. The alcohol all over. Since I work with oils, everything is so greasy, so it makes sense to just clean it off instantly, because then everything's gonna build up. So now that this is down to this, I'm gonna just go and make, well, not today, but I'm gonna make another batch of this and have them in my it's a gallon, which is 128 fluid ounces. So yeah, I'm actually gonna start doing wholesale as well. So if you're interested in like wholesale and doing private label, if you want to get into skincare but you just don't have the time to do it, you definitely can look into our wholesale program. We're gonna have that up by next month, so that will be a good option for you. It's like some just don't have the time to do it. It's understandable. So these are all my finished items for right now. I do have more to go. I have my scrubs to pack out because I already made them. So I have the mini scrubs to pack out. And here is the aromatherapy Himalayan scrub. I already packed that one out. I have to do more of these and put them in my kits. I already have the body oil, which is here. Then I have the facial kits. I also have to do the facial mask, which will be in a little foil bag. And what else do I have to do? That's it. The scrubs, the mask, and it's just left to label them. So I don't know if I'm gonna label them now, but yeah, that's what I have to do. So I'm gonna actually skip to doing the orders right now. I don't feel too well. I didn't go to bed till late. I'm gonna do the orders for that I got last night. So I got these few orders and I'm gonna go ahead and just alright, which one should I start with? Let's start with this one. This is from Amazon. Yeah, you guys already know me and Amazon are like best friends. I don't even remember what this was. I be ordering so much stuff. I don't know. Oh yeah. So this is one of my oils that I'm gonna be making a new product with. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but the next video it should already be done. Okay, so a new product will be added to the website soon. So I'm guessing this is the other oil. that I need, and I'm excited because I've been getting a lot of requests for this product that I want to put out, and yeah, so I'm excited about that. Listen, always keep them boxes or any type of packaging that you might need, because it's going to save you money, pretty much. You know, like these little boxes, I keep them. I don't throw them away, just in case I might need them in the future. The bubble wrap that comes in the packaging, I keep them. Any type of boxes bigger than these, I still keep them. You never know when you're gonna need it, so recycle and reuse. It will keep your costs low and keep money in your pocket, okay? Hopefully your day is going well, or your day has gone well. But I'm getting ready to go to my bed. And the day was very productive. My phone is always... Okay, so this is the packaging that I have for the item that I'm going to release. These are some gold packaging, basically. I really don't want to say much because I want to surprise you guys for the next video. So this is the packaging I'm going to put the item in. I feel like I'm so excited that I might even do it tonight. Like, that's how it is. This is my Himalayan pink salt. I do get it from Amazon, and yeah, I just love it. This one is extra fine, so it's not too harsh on your skin. So mixed with my other ingredients, you guys will love this salt scrub. Like the aromatherapy Himalayan salt scrub is like my favorite. I don't know if you guys have ever like put on moisturizer and head outside, and then probably like an hour or two, you're still ashy. Okay, and wait, let's not talk about the ashy from my last video. I promise. I promise. I don't even know how that happens. You know, when you miss that spot, like you just missed that one spot, and then like it just wanted to embarrass me, and it knows that I make body products. Like, how dare you, Ashy? How dare you? But anyway, we're talking about this scrub. So, yeah, if you guys haven't already, go to my website and probably get the starter kit, which is the body starter kit, and very cheap. It's about $12.95. It's usually $27, but I have it for $12.95. So if you want to like sample my products, or like start with an item but you don't want to get something that's too expensive, I get it, I understand. You could definitely go with the starter kits, which is definitely a good deal for you, okay? So I'm putting away this. It's kind of heavy. I think that's like 5 pounds. All right, on to the last package. So I told you it's a mini unboxing. So we already did that big one. Hope you guys watch that. I have some good tips on there for you guys too. I also put out like a label. Oh, I bought 2 of these? Really? I didn't mean to, but okay. Alright then, so I got another bag. I really didn't mean to buy 2, but I'm just gonna keep it since it's here. I'll just make room for it, and that's about it. So I probably am gonna see you guys tomorrow because I'm getting kind of tired, but by the time that I put my hand over the camera and take it back off, it will be tomorrow for you guys, just like that, okay? So good night. I'll see you in the morning.